Yes na yes, we offer galvanized bird cages in different sizes, gauges, and design, depending on your bird's needs and your preferred setup. Available ang bird cage natin, or you can also choose our galvanized cage with tubular frame for added strength and durability. For those who want additional protection, we also offer cages with tubular frame and roof, perfect for outdoor setups and spacious bird areas. Whether you have lovebirds, cockatiels, conures, Indian ringneck, African gray, or other birds, we can customize the cage according to the size and needs of your feathered companions. Different sizes, gauges, and designs are available, and customized dimensions are also welcome. So if you're looking for a cage that's strong, functional, and made according to your preference, PM now.